Thanks for choosing Perfect Laser. Now, I will introduce you some solutions during the fiber laser cutting process. Now, I will introduce you the best samples, as you can show in the video. The best cutting edge. This is the B side. And this is the A side. And you can see the cutting edge is smooth, and the A side with B side is the same. But during the process of cutting, we may face many problems and get the unsatisfactory results. There are 3 problems our customers usually face. Question 1 is about the starting point. You can see the starting point. Question 2. The 2 sides, opposite side and the positive sides, is not the same, and the opposite side is very rough. Question 3. Sometimes the materials could not be cutted through, like this one and this one. Let's look closely for the samples. As you can see, this is the starting point. The start point is not so good. Let's look closely for the question 2. The 2 sides are not the same. As you can see, the one side is smooth, perfect, and then the opposite side is rough. This is not the good samples. As you can see in these materials, the 2 points, 3 and the other 3, cannot be cutted through. The solutions are: question 1. It should be set in the software about the lead line. And the solution for question 2, you need to adjust the focus length. And the solution for question 3 is either to change the speed or to change the focus length. Now we will teach you how to operate for the question 1. The cutting start point is not so good. Let's take these samples for example. As you can see in these pictures, this point is the start point. Right click, you can find the lead line and set lead in and out line. As you can see, the type line and the angle 45 degrees and the length 5 millimeters. And according to the size of your samples, you can choose the length from 3 to 5 millimeters. And then click. Let me enlarge the picture. You can see this is the lead in line. If you want to get these samples, just like a circle, and you need to set lead in line. But if you want to get the samples like this parts, and you need to set the lead outline. Let's enlarge the picture for you. That means the starting point is from the outside of this circle, and this starting point is from the inside of this circle, because the inside is not what you want. There is a faster way for you to adjust which lead in or lead out is correct. You can see, you choose lead in and lead out, and then right click instant setting and auto setting, lead in and lead out, and then click OK, and you can see there is only one line left. This is the solutions for the question 1. The starting point is not so good. Now I will introduce you how to adjust the speed to get better cutting effect. Choose this. They'll set the cutting speed. Keep the others in the same and just to change the cutting speed. Usually the cutting speed should be 4,000 to 5,000 millimeters per minute. If the cutting speed is too large, some customers increase the cutting speed to 10,000 millimeters per minute. Then the materials could not be cutting through. Now I will teach you how to make the adjustment for the focus length. The focus length setting should be in the laser cutting head. Firstly, let's open the cover. As you can see, this is our laser cutting head. And you can make the head up and down. Firstly, you could up the laser head. As you can see in this window, this is the scale, and before delivery, we make the adjustment for that. Usually, the materials for stainless steel or aluminum need to make the small adjustment for the focus length. If you need to adjust for the local length, you need to open the small window. And you can see these marks. This is for up and this is for down. Let's take example for you. As you can see in the window, the focus length now is 2. If you want to increase them, you need to change to the position up. But please note that you need to make little change to observe which one is what you need. Usually, you need to make the small change little by little and increase 15. For example, now it is 18 and as you can see, the gas pressure indicator, this is to indicate the power supply for the machine. Usually, the gas pressure should be 1. That means it should be indicated to 1 MPa. If the gas pressure are so low, it will have a huge influence on the cutting effect. But the temperature of the water chiller. During the working for the machine, the water chiller temperature should be kept in 25 degrees. If the temperature is too high or too low, it will be damaged for the laser source and the laser cutting head.